In this video, we will learn about how to create the given solid by using Autodesk Fusion. So here the front view direction is not given. So let's assume the blue direction as a front view direction. So based on this direction, let's try to create the solid. Let's create the solid by using Autodesk Fusion. Click on Create Sketch and let's select the top plane and let's start over here. Either you can partial portion on left side and partial portion on right side because there is a semicircular arc is here. Let me try to constrain that arc based on the origin. So it will be easy for me to constrain. So I will draw the profile partially on the left side and partially on the right side. So let me try to create. Now let us try to provide the constraints. So here there are two profiles are there at different heights. So let me try to complete both profiles on the same sketch so that I can able to extrude the portions of profiles for the different height. So let me complete the other profile also. So here let's try to finish the dimension first. So this dimension is 40. So it's let me give undo. So first let us try to provide the dimensions for the smaller one so that it won't get distorted first. So let me give the dimension for this. So this dimension is given as 20 and this dimension is given as 10 and now this dimension is 40. Let me give this. And then this dimension is 20 and the overall dimension is 30. And let me coincide the midpoint of this one with the origin. So let me apply midpoint constraint of this one with the origin so that now it is fixed. Now let's try to draw the semicircular arc here. So let's check out other dimensions are there. No, one more dimension is missed out. So let me draw the dimension between this one and this one, the dimension. Okay, I'm not able to constrain it. Maybe let me delete this line and let me draw a line from here. And then let me provide this dimension first between this one and this one. The dimension is 20. Now we will apply the midpoint constraint. So midpoint constraint between this line and this point. Now let's try to draw the semicircular arc. So here, let me make sure this is vertical. So this line is vertical. Okay. And this line is horizontal. Okay. Let me give equal constraint between this one and this one. Okay. Let me just check what is the dimension between these two. Yeah. Now it's perfect. Let's draw the semicircular arc here. So arc, center point arc. So select this as center point and let's try to draw an arc here. So the radius of the arc, let's try to dimension it. So the radius of the arc is 10 and this portion of the line and this portion of the line is not required. So let us try to trim this. So select the trim command like a scissor. It is available under the modify group. So select this portion. Okay. Now let's finish the sketch and let's try to extrude these two portions. So extrude this portion for a distance of 30. Now, once you have extruded, the initial sketch may not be visible. So you go to sketches and activate the sketch. Now again, you select the extrude command and select this portion and change the distance of extrusion as 10 and give OK. Now we have completed our profile. Now switch off the sketch. So if you are having multiple profiles has to be extruded for different distances, you can keep both the profiles on the same sketch and you can extrude two times so that you no need to draw two sketches separately. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.